Welcome to the Midtown Chimney series, Why We Inspect, with myself, Byron on the Rooftop, your host, as we inspect fireplaces and chimneys across America with problems and issues ranging from bird nests and direct vent flues, clearance to combustibles on solid fuel burning appliances, and much more.
This fireplace looked completely normal. The family used it every winter. Nobody thought to look inside. When our technician arrived, the first impression was the same as always. A nice home, a working fireplace, nothing obviously wrong. When we opened it up, here's what we found. A wood insert which is only approved to be installed into an existing properly constructed masonry fireplace had in fact been installed into a wood-framed cavity. And on the floor of the firebox itself, construction debris, sawdust, wood scraps, on another fireplace inspection. There was also a wooden beam sitting underneath the ash door, directly in the path of hot coals and embers that fall through during a fire. This is a fire waiting to happen.
And that's exactly why we inspect. Most customers have no idea what's actually going on in their chimney till someone actually takes a look. I'm Byron with Midtown Chimney. If you haven't had your chimney inspected in a while, give us a call. We'd love to help. Sweep, inspect, trust. Oh, and don't forget to feed the Google monster by clicking like and subscribe if you would, please.